Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a secure email attachment. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Gmail. So once you open Gmail, you simply need to click on Compose on the right side, on the left side. And here you need to select a person for to whom you want to send an email. And then you need to click on this attach files, and it will open your Windows and your desktop. And if you want, you can click on downloads and select any file. So I'm going to select this one, and now it is uploading here. And once it is uploaded, I simply need to click on send, and that file will be shared with that person. So this is a process by which you can send a secure email attachment. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.